Hi, my name is Eunice, Mina Escobar. I have been living in here since 1994. I love my home and my neighborhood. You know, I love spending time in my backyard. When we bought the house, the backyard was with brick, and it's beautiful antique brick. But for some reason, on the sideway where we're coming into the backyard, the water was not filtering anymore. So I have huge puddles in my backyard in the sideway. When it rained hard, I couldn't come out of the backyard through the side. It was getting frustrating and got to the point where I needed to do something. Not even Googling it or anything, researching. We thought that if we built a drainage under the garden and it would work, you know, to take the water out, but we still put an exit to the alley. We decided, okay, let's just get some stone racks and put it in there. In spring, it rained a lot this year, a lot, and there was no water, you know, in there. And I said, you know what, this is an amazing solution. No more water in my backyard. I still go out when it rains very hard, and I just get so amazed how much it filters the water. But I also noticed that the garden, you know what I mean, doesn't need that much water anymore. My roses and my trees, they're beautiful, and I don't have to water them as much as I used to. So it served the two purposes, because we're recycling the water and sending it to the garden, but also I don't have the problem that I had before.